Hey guys, today we're going to be opening the Ogre Pond Premium Collection box, and then we're also going to be opening just like a little 3-pack that I caught at Target. Just a reminder that this channel is still doing a giveaway, so once we hit 150 subscribers, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be picking the winner at random once we hit 150. What do we want to start with? Let's start with the box. I think we should start with the box. No! No! This is like the hardest part. Like, sometimes cut these out for fun and put them on the fridge, you know? Or like you just want to stick them to something, you know? Okay, whew. Oh my gosh, I actually do really like this. Okay, let's get into it. Which one should we open first? Okay, honestly, I think I want the Stellar Crown pack first. Come on now, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, let's slide this out of the way. And then, what are we going to get? What are we going to get? Nice. Swallows. Okay, a shiny Eevee. A shiny Electabuzz. Oh my god, I don't have this one. Grimmsnarl. Oh my god, it's really cool. Super cool. And a basic energy. Alright, let's go. Next one. Oh, let's do Paradox Rift. Oh my god, what am I kidding? Cut it, cut it. Okay. Okay, gimme goal, starting off right. Purloin, so pretty. Mienfoo, let's go. Oh. Paraseed, Tulip, I like it. Ooh, Joltix. Income. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. Dang, this is crazy. Okay, Surging Sparks next. Alright. Excadrill. Quaxwell. Morlul. Kilowattrel. I like this one. Wow. Nice. Lively Stadium. Oh my god, same one but shiny. Very pretty. Oh my god, it looks great. Like, oh my gosh, I bet the camera's not catching it because it needs like more light, but such a pretty gouging fire. Okay, then basic energy, let's go. Okay. Another Surging Star, oh my god, I'm like, this is already better. This is going on. Okay. Handsinger. Organguru, Vulpix, Swablu, Tauros. Ooh, this Tauros is nice. Very nice. Ooh, this Ninetales, interesting. I do not have this. We're going to... So sick. Oh my god, it matches my room. Like, come on. Oh my god, it's going amazing. Okay, oh, again. Wow, This is great. This is great. Okay. Another stellar crown. Let's see. Imagine I cut through the card. Oh, worst nightmare. Okay. Oh my god. I didn't even open it. Okay. Now we're open. How do I do this myself? Also, oh my god, this is just like going amazing. I can't believe it. Final. Applin. I love Applin. Appleton, Flapple, any of the apples. Blue. This one's so cute. Papaya berry. Kofu. Ooh. Not bad. Another berry. Wow. Okay. Oh, we're on the last one. No! Sad. Sad. How is it already that time? Shinx, OG, Clefairy, Broom, Volbeat, Bug catching set. Okay, actually that's cute. Oh my god, I love this one too. Okay. Slugma. Oh my god, even the Slugma is cute. Okay, basic energy. Okay, I need to like show you this one. Let's see if it'll. Like, oh my god. So pretty. I'm like the light is not doing it justice, but this is amazing. Let's just quickly talk about like the promos, like the one with the masks, like I don't know, it's just so amazing. Okay, into the next one. Okay, so our little 3-pack with the Zapdos. I'm so excited. I'm fine with just the Zapdos, to be honest. Okay, let's see if we can get her open. Okay, gotta be careful for those Zapdos. Alright, okay, let's take a moment. The Zapdos. Oh my god, it's so sick. I always think of like the Pokemon movie, you know? I feel like I've been getting that nonstop on my For You page lately. Why is it like coming back? The and when he's like in the cage. Okay, which one should we start with? Okay, let's do this one. Feeling good. God, I can't believe how good the Ogerpon box was. That was insane. Okay. Another Quaxwell. Moral, we have this one, we have this one. Capsicid. Indeed. Or sorry, Indeed. A Dusk Ball. We love a Dusk Ball. This Armor is pretty cool. Mantine. Wow. Glimmet. Togekiss. Okay. And a basic energy. Okay. Slizapede. This Eevee's so cute. Execute. Terra Orb. Me Flapple. I love Flapple. Doug Trio. I think I have this one. Oh, all right, sick. And a basic energy. That is it. Thank you so much for opening the Ogerpon X Premium Collection with me and the 3-pack of Surging Sparks. I can't wait to see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching.